Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Gemini app on your Windows computer. It's quick, simple, and only takes a couple of minutes. So let's jump straight into it. First, open the Google Chrome browser on your PC. In the search bar, type Gemini and press enter. Click on the official website, gemini.google.com. Once you're on the Gemini website, go to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots. From the menu, click on Cast, Save and Share, and then select Install Pages app. Now click Install. And that's it. Gemini will now install as its own standalone application. Even if you close Google Chrome, the Gemini app will stay open separately, just like a normal desktop app. You'll also notice that a shortcut has been created on your desktop. You can also open the Start menu and launch the Gemini app from there anytime. And that's how you install the Gemini app on Windows in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.